I have a confession to make. I'm addicted. I didn't know when it started. It just took me. And before I knew it, I just couldn't let it go. Today I figured out that I was addicted to mice. These kinds of mice, the proper ones, the gaming ones, and not just any mouse. No. I'm talking about the RAZER Naga editions. I play a lot of games. I'm talking 9,000 hours, okay, on Steam on one game, Dota 2. But I also play all kinds of other things. That Apple fam. Oh shit!
The next day.
If you're interested in the cultured content, go check out my channel, Cultured Fossil. Now, because I'm such a heavy gamer, that means I need to get intimate with my mouse. And for the past 10 years, I have been loyal to one single mouse. Well, I have cheated here and there, but one mouse in particular, the RAZER Naga, right here. This is the one, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I'm sure as soon as I said RAZER, most people had a premature reject. Why isn't Logitech? Why not Corsair? Why not SteelSeries? Why is it RAZER? Are you a RAZER fanboy? No, I don't think that every RAZER mouse is good, but this one is the best of any other gaming mouse. Here's why. I'm going to talk about this in a little bit. The reason I'm reviewing this one today is because, alas, after 10 years of victory, this gaming mouse has died. The problem was that the mouse started misclicking randomly. So for example, if you're playing a first-person shooter, I wouldn't click, but it would just randomly click, and you would shoot somebody who you didn't mean to. Or if you're editing, I would be scrolling through my timeline, it would automatically just randomly select a frame that I didn't select. So there were just random clicks going through. It wasn't actually physically clicking, but you could tell that the computer was registering a click from this mouse. Now, for some people, that's fine. That still works. No need to throw it out for the betas. But I'm an alpha, ladies and gentlemen. I need a max spec, okay? 5K DPI at least. I need 99% accuracy from the sensor, and I need the best feedback for my clicks possible. So today, after burying this mouse and then recovering it, obviously, I went to Best Buy to buy myself another gaming mouse. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for another RAZER Naga, ladies and gentlemen. Of course I did. But this one is a little different. This one is wireless, and this is RAZER's latest addition to the RAZER Naga series. Now, if you watch old RAZER videos, you'll see that their boxes were like proper, okay? Pulls everything out. There's that beautiful mouse. Nothing else in the box. The paperwork on the bottom. The main attraction, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it has similar weight to the old generation as well. Let me push that off. And of course we get the chargeable cable. So this is both wireless and wired. You can use it while it's wired into your computer. Wow. Okay, no, ladies and gentlemen, this is lighter than the old version. Obviously there's some differences. First of all, the DPI sensor switch, the buttons are a little bit different. The click is going to be different because I've worn this out over a while. Ooh, this one is clickier. You can hear that. The old one is more clicky. This new one, it's a little bit more smoother. Nothing that gets on my nerves. And the buttons are the same. So this 12 button feature is still the same, but there are other buttons that I'm going to show you, other modules. Let me go ahead and take this off. So as you can see, it comes right off. Inside, you see the USB for the wireless connectivity with your computer. 2.4, USB 2.4, RAZER Naga, very nice. And then you have the actual sensor. Now, there's obviously different modules here in front of me. The thing with the RAZER Naga Trinity, the reason I keep coming back to this device over and over and over again is because of how usable this device is. For example, I have a really great chart to show you the balance between these different modules and what you're getting. It basically goes from more buttons to more grip. So if you have a lot of buttons, 12 dedicated buttons, you obviously don't have a lot of grip. But if you only go with minimum 2 buttons, it gives you the most amount of grip possible, and the grip feels really, really good. So you can move this, even this big clunky mouse, it's really easy to move and it's really fast to move as well. So when I'm playing playing games like Dota 2, I use the 12 button. These are set to my skills and items, and they're also set to my courier. When I'm playing first-person shooters, I might use the 6 one. A good bit of grip, which means I can really aim fast, but I also have these buttons that are there just for switching, reloading, things like that. And when I'm doing my edits or video cuts and things like that, I usually also use the 12 button. What I'll do is I'll set this in time frames to cutting and making specific cuts, to transitions, things like that. So I don't need to go finding for this stuff in the menu. I click a button and it's implemented. It's just amazing, and all I need to do is pop it off. It's magnetic, so I just pop it off, pop on any other one, and boom, that's it. The other thing is that this mouse has profiles down here, so I can go through, I can set up to 3 different profiles on this mouse, so I'm never needing to re-macro. If I'm playing Dota, I have the Dota 2 profile set into this mouse. I'll put on my Dota 2 module, I'll put it right in there, and I'll click Dota 2, and automatically all these buttons are set to what I've set them to for Dota 2. Same thing when I'm editing, I'll switch this to editor, and automatically all my buttons will be switched to what I've set them to for editing. And I had the same feature on my older RAZER Naga as well, so obviously you can tell how used it is, but it also has the profile setting, so I could set profiles on my old one as well. Now, because of all these extra modules, and I talked about this before, it does have quite a bit of weight to it. A mouse pad, I'm using the RAZER Firefly, which is a hard, smooth surface, so this glides like ice. But if you're using a rougher or a harder mouse pad, it could be a problem. This could be a little bit slower just because it is a heavier mouse. The size though is quite large, but it fits really comfortably. My hands are pretty big also. 2 fingers here, 1 finger I've got over the button, so my thumb covers all the buttons very easily, so I can go from top to bottom however I like. On the side, my ring finger sits in this groove that's made right there, and then my pinky is on the side grip that you can see right there. So this grip is basically occupied by my pinky, so all my right side controls my pinky can click in, and the left side is all with my thumb. So it really gives me that reactivity that I need when I'm gaming. That's it. LOL. I really wanted to make this video on this mouse just because I was buying it today, and this is something that I'm on even more than my phone, so it's a really important part of my day, and so I definitely thought it was really important to make a video of this as well. And generally the RAZER Naga Trinity series, because I absolutely love these mouses. Or mice. Damn it. After the whole video, I mess up now. Oh my god. If you enjoyed the video today, please be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out a growing channel like mine. And let me know in the comment section below if you hate me now because I am a RAZER. I'm not a RAZER fanboy. Ladies and gentlemen, I promise I'm not a RAZER fanboy. But the Naga Trinity was just so well done. I can't hate. I mean, can you hate? Let me know. Take it easy. Peace.